Barbie has just received some new shipment for her grocery store. We have the Mini Brand Series 4, which comes with new food items, and they're the perfect size for Barbie's store. Let's see what we got. On the first one, we got some money, $10, a pack of $10. That's great because our Barbies need some money so that they can shop. In that same little packet, I also got like lemon wipes. We've got some raisins. So something that I really want to get are the peeps, the pink peeps. For the third item, I got these hoisin duck bao buns, another food item. Please, please peeps, please be in here. I really want the pink peeps. Look at this, what is this? Ooh, hand sanitizer. And now for the last one. A Pringles. I guess I'm gonna have to keep searching for the peeps. But now we have some new items for Barbie's grocery store. We're here at our new house, Belinda. Woof! Are you excited, Royce? Woof! Woof! Okay, Mommy, I'm excited to see my room. And my puppy. Of course, we can't forget Royce. Woof! Woof! Oh, Royce, let's go check out the yard. Look at Royce. Daddy already unpacked all your toys. Yeah, let's go down the slide. Ready? Woof, woof. Again. Hold on. Let's go check out your doggy bed. Do you like it? Woof, woof. Hi, Ivan. Hey, love. I already put in all the boxes inside the house. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. I just need one more box. Awesome. Let me help. No. I got this. Thank you so much. It's so nice in here, Ivan. Thank you for moving in all the furniture already. I just needed to unpack all the little things. I'm so excited to decorate. Can't wait to see what you do with this place. I'm gonna put these plants here in the entryway. They look so nice. Gonna set up the table. Perfect. We need to do some grocery shopping as we just moved in. And we're gonna put the doggy food right by the refrigerator. In our bedroom, I'm putting away all our clothes. And here in the living room, I'm putting this beautiful white flower arrangement in this ceramic pot. It looks so good in here. I brought in these beautiful red heart pillows. One of them has hearts on it, and the other one says, I love you. All this packing is making me hungry. Time to make some food. Ivan, Belinda, pizza is ready. This pizza is delicious, Mommy. Can I give some to Royce? Sure, just a little piece of pepperoni. Hi, I'm Barbie. Welcome to Malibu Supermarket. Hi, Barbie. I'm Priscilla, and this is my daughter, Belinda. Hi. Aw, I have a little sister named Kelly, and she's just your age. You might meet her at school. We just moved here, so we're all very excited to make some new friends. Oh, that's so nice. Welcome to Malibu. We'll let you shop. Talk to you soon. Okay, thank you. Mommy, may we get some ice cream, please? Yes, of course. We're definitely gonna need some cereal for breakfast before school tomorrow. And some milk. Here it is.
Cereal with berries, my favorite. Mommy, don't forget the ice cream.
Okay, here's the ice cream. I'm also gonna get some eggs here. Okay, all ready to pay. And would you like a bag?
Yes, please, thank you.
Is that you on that magazine cover? Yes, it is. It's me and my friend Brooklyn. Oh, you guys are so cute in this magazine. I'm gonna take this magazine too.
And the ice cream.
Okay, the total comes out to $19 with 95 cents. Here you go. Thank you. And here's your bag. I'm having a housewarming party. You should come. Ooh, definitely. I'll be there.
Bye.
Bye. See you tonight. Oh, that must be Barbie and Brooklyn. Let me get the door. Hi, Barbie. Hi, Brooklyn. Welcome in. Hello. And I also brought my little sister Kelly to play with Belinda. And this is Belinda. She's a little shy at first. Look, Belinda, you have a new friend. Say hello.
Hi. I also brought my cat. Meow.
Barbie Brooklyn, this is my good friend Valerie. Hi. Nice to meet you. You have a really nice house. Thank you. I'm so excited to move to Malibu and be so close to the beach. Yes, it's the perfect destination. Malibu is so beautiful. Welcome to Malibu, California.
This is my kitty Blissa. What's your doggy's name? My doggy's name is Roycey. Ooh, Blissa's so pretty. I love her white fur. Do you want to play hide and seek? Yeah. You count first and I'll go hide. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, No peeking.
9, 10.
Ready or not, here I come. Now hide behind the TV stand.
I don't think she's gonna see me here.
I wonder where Belinda is. Is she behind this pot? I don't see her behind these flowers. Found you! You did! Okay, your turn to hide. Okay, I'm not peeking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
I don't think Belinda's gonna find me here.
I don't see her in the living room. Maybe she's in the kitchen. I don't see her in the kitchen either. Blessa, have you seen my puppy Roycey? Have you seen Kelly? Meow, meow. Woof, woof. Was that Roycey? I think he's with Kelly. Let me go see. Woof, woof. Oh no, Roycey, don't make noise. Belinda's gonna find me. Hey, there you are. Hi, Kelly. Oh, you found me. Yes, that was a hard one. Kelly, it's getting late. It's time to go home. I don't want to go home. You have to go home, Kelly. Tomorrow you have school. I'm having so much fun with Belinda. You'll see her tomorrow at school. Alright. Say goodbye now. I had so much fun with you, Belinda. Me too. I'll see you tomorrow at school. Okay, I'm a little nervous and shy for my first day of class. You're gonna like it. There's a lot of kids and a lot of toys at school to play with. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Belinda. Bye, Royce. Woof, woof. Bye, Blissa. Meow. Bye, Kelly. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Go to my channel to watch more videos and subscribe.